Here we're given that angle R is congruent to angle T and angle S is congruent to angle U. You're going to prove that RSTU is a parallelogram. Let's start with our given information here. We know that angle R is congruent to angle T, and we know that angle S is congruent to angle U. So let's draw that line, the diagonal line of SU, and we know that between any 2 points, there are a line. There's that line. Now we can be given a congruent side here because the line SU is congruent to line SU. Okay, and that is just through the reflexive property. Then you have triangle RSU is congruent to triangle UTS. Because we have an angle and we have another angle, then we were given the side from the reflexive property. So it is congruent by AAS. So once we know that the triangles are congruent, then their parts are congruent. So we can say that line ST is congruent to line RU and line SR is congruent to line TU. Okay, that's through congruent parts and congruent triangles. Once we know that those parts are congruent, those are all we need because we have 2 pairs of congruent sides. Okay, we can say that STUR is a parallelogram based on the definitions of a parallelogram.